Hey there, welcome to the One Life to Live cooking show. I'm your host, David Vanderheyden, and today I'm going to give you 3 simple tips on how to make a nutritious salad that tastes great, fills you up, and is packed full of nutrients. Now, my first tip for making a salad is to use a big mixing bowl to mix things up. Oh, what? Whoa, did somebody turn off the lights?
Did I hear someone say they're ready to mix it up? Sounds like a job for manly man. Bulk Brogan. That's right, I'm coming for you, brother. David, wherever you went, I got this show now. I'm ready to rumble, baby. That's right, they call me Bulk Brogan because I'm the bro with the gains, ready to tear things up like Wolverine with a can of sardines. I'm coming for you. I'm ready to eat it up. I'm ready to toss you like a tossed salad, baby. That's what we're gonna be doing today with my co-host, David. Now, if y'all ready for having some Leviosa action, for those of you who aren't Harry Potter fans, that means to lift. You gotta swoosh and flick. Am I right? Oh, ow, my eyes. Good thing I got these sunglasses.
Whoa, Bulk, what are you doing here, man? I'm trying to film my show right now.
What show?
What show? The One Life to Live cooking show? The show that I was telling you about that's supposed to compete against Scott's Awful Dining and Ian's Cult Kitchen in episode 100 of Foodcast, aka Feudcast? That show?
Hold up there, brother. I'm sorry, but that name is lame. How about the David's Awesome and Man-Led Nutrition Show? Has a nice ring to it, doesn't it?
You know what? Sure, why not? What the heck? But you know what? These bites are gonna have to get moved because we have a show to do here, and this isn't the WWE. We have to move this stuff over, okay? All right, let's move the lights and let's get back to the cooking tips. So the first thing you have to know about making a delicious salad is that you need a mixing bowl in order to make it properly. When I learned how to use a mixing bowl, it was a game changer for me. So now amateur salad makers, they just pour the salad dressing on top of their salad and they end up with veggies that are half dry and half soaked. It's a complete mess. And then you end up pouring even more dressing and the calories just start piling on. All the fat and sugar start to add up real quick. If you use a mixing bowl, it evenly coats everything perfectly and it makes every piece of vegetable moist and more palatable. And just like how you wouldn't give a piece of meat, you wouldn't use it without some kind of sauce on there, you gotta give the salad a fighting chance here by coating everything perfectly and making it more appetizing.
Whoa, easy there, friend. What about protein, bro? Protein. That's right. You want some chicken in your salad. You want them gains, right? Or are you too chicken for chicken? You afraid to mix it up every now and then?
What's with the claws? You think you're Wolverine?
Well, I'm glad that you asked. My friends call me Brogan, but I call myself Logan.
Okay, nice.
That's right.
But,
coming for you.
Back to the protein thing. You can feel free to add chicken or ham in there, but the sheer amount of fiber found in the salad is more than enough to make you feel satiated.
Whoa, hold on there, brother. If you're looking for a little variety in your satiety, I recommend a little thing called bacon. Or is that not allowed?
No, I don't have any problem with bacon. I mean, I think most people don't realize just how much fat is contained within those salad kits that they buy. And the salad dressings themselves have tons of fat. And bacon itself is like half fat, half protein. So as long as you can keep your salad about half fat and half fibrous, cruciferous vegetables, I don't see any problem adding some bacon in there.
But hold on a second. If you're trying to bulk, shouldn't you try to get huge? So you need that fat to get you nice and large. Get them gains.
Well, technically that is true. Your body needs fat in order to make hormones. The most important being testosterone, of course, which is the muscle building hormone for both men and women, by the way. But
all right, now that is what I'm talking about. Yeah, bacon, baby.
Okay.
1 full pound, no less.
Okay, I think that we've had enough bacon there, but thank you. Yeah, I don't have any problem with people putting bacon into their salads, okay? In fact, I don't have any problems.
Hey, Bulk, what are you doing? Oh, give me that. Dude, that's my bacon.
Too loud. Okay.
Right.
I know. Okay, cool. Okay, we're back. Oh, all right.
Time out there, brother. What about putting breakfast food in a salad? I mean, isn't that kind of sacrilegious?
Nope. I'm just gonna move this over here if that's all right with you. We don't need an actual pound of bacon in here, but if we did, that'd be okay. I don't have any problem with people having salad for breakfast. Who said that you can't have salad for breakfast? Now, me personally, I pretty much do it every day. Salad and bacon. You can put boiled or scrambled eggs, ham, bacon, put in your salad. Why not? I prefer it separately, but hey, if you want to put some extra protein in there, that's okay. Just watch your total calories for the day. Just make sure that for your breakfast that you want to skip out on all those simple carbs that are full of sugar, like toast with jam, pancakes, waffles, French toast, donuts. All those are packed with sugar, even like those breakfast cereals are packed with sugar. Number one. Okay, that's great, buddy. But the second key to a good salad is picking nutrient-dense greens. So that means avoiding watered-down versions like iceberg lettuce and even avoiding romaine lettuce. So for example, I have here a light Caesar salad, which has romaine lettuce in it, which is pretty good. And romaine lettuce is good for you, but what's even better is dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and anything that's really has darker color to it is gonna be better. So I usually can't do too much spinach, but maybe if you get a spring mix or something like that with some baby spinach in there, it's not bad. So usually the more vibrant and colorful a vegetable is, the more nutrients it has. So if you actually look at nutrition charts, you see that kale and those other kind of really dark, vibrant, colorful salads have a lot more nutrients to them. But feel free to add in more than just greens though. I buy kits that are finely chopped up, and it makes everything blend together much easier. So a lot of these kits sneak in a bunch of good fillers like red cabbage, finely chopped Brussels sprouts, carrots, tomatoes, seeds, and a bunch of other fiber and nutrient-rich vegetables that bring out a bunch of flavor. And that's before you add in the fattening ingredients like cheese, nuts, and salad dressing. So our third key is picking out a dressing that isn't super sugary or high in calories. A lot of sweet dressings out there have a ton of sugar, and certain dressing like Thousand Island and Ranch have a bunch of sugar and fat in them. But that combination of sugar and fat together is usually deadly. Now, just FYI, fat isn't necessarily a bad thing. In fact, you need fat to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K, and you can think of that fat as like a slip and slide that kind of shuttles the nutrients into your gut for absorption. But they also have a lot of sugar combined with that fat to rack up a bunch of calories really quickly. That being said, there's usually cheese and nuts that are thrown into these salad kits, which rack up fat content pretty quick. Just like how you get a lot of fat from the bacon, you shouldn't be afraid of the fat, but you should be aware of it, especially when you're counting your calories for the day. Basically, the greens by themselves, you can almost treat it like 0 calories, because really that's where all gets the calories from, is the fat. And sometimes all those fats and sugars from the dressings can add up pretty quickly. So what I like to use is actually a brand called Garlic Expressions. And really anything that's a vinaigrette will be your best option here. So this one is called Garlic Expressions because it has garlic and a few other ingredients. So I think it just has, let's see, cider vinegar, canola oil, cane sugar, garlic cloves, salt, spices, and xanthan gum. So not a whole lot of ingredients. You actually have to shake this up so that the little garlic cloves that are in here will settle to the bottom, but that's always an option. But if you want to actually make your own, you can do that using olive oil, vinegar, and whatever else kind of seasonings you want to add in there. For like garlic, for example, would be a good option. But it's easy to make your own salad dressing if you just have some olive oil and some kind of vinegar laying around. You can usually just put that in the salad, and it tastes pretty good with just about anything. Salad kits make it really easy. Everything's already portioned out, everything's finely chopped up. It makes it very simple and easy to follow, and you can easily track how much calories that you're having and how many servings. Although I tend to just eat one big bowl of this, and I think that is about 3 servings per container, so I have to triple whatever the calories are in here. So this one is the Strawberry Harvest flavor. It has red cabbage, carrots, broccoli stalk. Normally I wouldn't eat broccoli stalk unless it's like finely chopped up in here. Green cabbage, kale, feta cheese, almonds, crispy quinoa, which gives a little nice crunch, with a strawberry vinaigrette. So I'm gonna mix that up for you guys real quick here. The beauty of the cooking show is that everything goes by so fast. So this one's actually not completely sugar-free. The strawberry vinaigrette does have a little bit of sugar added in there, but this is basically like eating a dessert for me. It's delicious. I look forward to it. I never have to force myself to eat this salad. And this quinoa gives it a nice crunch along with the almonds, which is kind of nice. And then we also have some feta cheese in here, which gives it some pretty strong flavor added to it. And so we have a nice little salad here. Now we have to mix that up. So we're gonna grab ourselves a good old fork here. And I have a special kind of mixing bowl. And this bowl has ridges on the edge of it. So so that when I spin this around, it kind of kicks it back into the same place. And every time something hits the sides, it recoats it again. Okay, so now we got a nicely tossed salad here. I definitely want to dig into this bad boy, but I'm gonna have to put it in the fridge before it gets warm. But I'm gonna have to get our friend Bulk to do this for me. Bulk, got a salad for you, buddy. Bulk, lift. And by the way, we'll probably cover how to pick simple versus complex carbs in a future video, but for now, you should be all set to make a delicious, nutritious, and less suspicious looking salad. That's pretty good there. I like that. How's that sound, Bulk?
Well, if I had to say one more thing, it's that if I ever have to see another person order a large pizza with an iceberg lettuce salad, I'm gonna have to toss them like I tossed this salad.
Or maybe you could just have them watch this video, like and subscribe if they want future content. How's that sound, Bulky? Bulkerator? Bulkarino?
Hell yeah.
Okay, hell yeah. Well, in that case, until next time, this is David's awesome and manly nutrition show.
Yeah. Oh, and one more thing before we go. Always remember, you only got one life to live. Listen, if you like what you learned from the salad video, make sure you subscribe to the channel.